High-tech Nova Intelligent Heavy Steel Production Line. Integrating laser cutting machines, node assembly and welding workstations, large beam and column welding stations, as well as shot blasting and coating equipment. This system enables manufacturing for multi-story, multi-system structures. Equipped with high-tech Nova Flexible Intelligent System, the line imports software-generated NC data from the cloud, automatically converting it into machine instructions. Without the need for programming, teaching, or manual operation, the software includes an automatic kit module, intelligently arranging cutting sequences for optimized efficiency. The sheet processing area of the high-tech Nova Intelligent Production Line. The laser flat plate cutting machine handles steel plates up to 6,000 by 2,500 millimeters. After plate processing, the 4-column hydraulic press forms U-shaped components. KL750 Rotary Table Material Cutting Laser Machine can process H-beams, square tubes, channels, angles, round pipes, and even complex shapes within process limits, including small hole cutting, bevel cutting, line marking, double-side H-beam web marking, and leftover piece cutting. Tekla data import allows automatic weld line recognition, H-beam cyclic cutting, and cutting through welded holes, meeting most market standard steel profiles. HW1-40F Heavy Steel Large Component Robotic Welding Workstation is equipped with a positioner that allows multi-angle rotation of the workpiece, enabling multi-side welding in a single clamping setup. It is suitable for welding steel columns or other large and complex components, supporting products up to 12 meters in length and with a section width of less than 400 millimeters. HW1-40 Heavy Steel Beam Robotic Welding Workstation features a simple structure, with high loading and unloading efficiency, suitable for welding steel beams or other medium and small-sized components. After welding, components move to the shot blasting and coating area for surface treatment. High-tech Nova's shot blasting and electrostatic coating equipment is compatible with H-beams, square tubes, channel steel, and various types of standard and non-standard steel structures. It enables one-stop shot blasting cleaning, and integrated electrostatic coating and surface curing operations. High-tech Nova digitalized heavy steel production line is capable of generating substantial profits for enterprises. Highly cost-effective, flexible, intelligent manufacturing production line. It can achieve intelligent cutting of the product, as well as node assembly and welding, full robotic welding, shot blasting and coating. Realize robot-assisted personnel substitution for efficient operations. High-tech Nova can also customize production lines to meet enterprise needs, delivering solutions that are efficient and cost-effective to each customer.